Assalamu alaikum. This is Mahza bin Tabassum. I recently appeared for my IELTS exam on the 15th of July and Alhamdulillah I got a band score of 8. I got individually 9 in listening, 8 in reading, 7 in speaking and again 7 in writing. I started my journey with HEXA'S 𝐿 and I was a recent student of HACU batch from HEXA'S 𝐿. So as a procrastinator myself, I can confirm that the push they give you throughout your last stage IELTS journey and the motivation they give you was really needed for me, because I think you are obliged to answer to why you did not bring your homework, otherwise you have to pay for the compensation. The teachers were really helpful to me. I cannot say any individual names, but if I say about Arif sir, Kashem sir, Siddiq sir, Abdul Rahman sir, and especially Abdul Hakim Musaddiq sir, because every time I used to knock him with my lackings, he would give me tips and tricks on how to overcome and would regain the lost confidence in me. And about the mock test, I appeared for 4 to 5 mock tests, and the environment is really well organized, and I'm really very satisfied with the feedback they provided, and also it is quite similar to the main IELTS exam environment. And I would say I'm really grateful to HEXA'S 𝐿 for my achievement.